Okay, hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sounds coming okay? If let's say it's okay, appreciate if you can type a one for me. Okay, and we are good to start. Okay, so again, before I start, just a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on today's discussion over here, make sure you got your own trading plan. All right, if not, at least get advice from professional. You can actually check out our seafood trading plan over here, right? So, like I said, anything you do, make sure you know what you are doing, what is the risk that you are taking. Okay, so thank you, Narendran. Okay, thank you for the likes there. All right. So again, market is not bullish. Okay, as I think we have been emphasizing for a few weeks already. Yes, technical rebound, yes, do happens. I think like last week, last 2 weeks ago, but looks like this week mostly actually failed. Okay, to make a continuation. So as I said, the background everything is still not that great. Okay, so don't be too greedy during this technical rebound. I think some counters might still will continue to do technical rebound like G-Tronic, APB. I haven't really checked yet. I haven't really checked yet for this morning, but let's see. Okay, but some of the property counters, I think it's like having some recovery and constructions counter having some recovery like last week or last 2 weeks ago. Looks like they also hit certain resistance and making some so-called pullback or the continuation downtrend currently. Okay, so like for example, IWCT, right? I think the other day also we do talk about this candle over here, the big shooting star with volume. Normally, big shooting star with volume, especially when they hit certain resistance, like in this case over here, they hits the gap. Normally, it's not a good sign, okay? Because it kind of like telling you that the seller is still super strong. Likely they cannot make a follow through, okay? In this short period of time. So for those that who are holding this type of counters, probably you want to watch out. Okay. Now I'm not going to say that this will continue to go into downtrend. Okay. Next thing that you want to watch out is that how well actually they retest the 2040 moving average. So for me, normally I will see if let's say they tested well, yes, maybe got a chance they want to retry the resistance area at around 65 cents areas. Okay. So at this moment, no setup yet. Okay, if you are following some of these property constructions counters. So the other one, I think also UEMS dropped quite badly. Okay, yesterday this is 7% down. Okay, so this one also they are heading to this first area over here. Okay, looks like crossing, but it's not that convincing because it didn't come with a strong up bar. Okay, now this one also looks like they can cross lah. Okay, at this moment here. So yes, chances for them to retest this area over here, 95 cents, is quite high. Okay, probably they will retest lower at the support level. All right, so a few other counter also going into looks like they will go into a continuation downtrend. Okay, like for example YTL. Okay, again super popular counters. So here also obviously is downtrending. Here doing some technical rebound. Now the things that I don't like usually is that whenever the price go into 2040 areas, 20 days or 40-day moving average area, they come with this kind of shooting star. Okay, so shooting star normally also representing there's chance, okay, for the stocks to go lower again. Okay, especially when the stock is in downtrend. So this is what we call the inverse pullback patterns. Like for example here, inverse pullback patterns. Okay, so all this is like a technical rebound. Okay, not a very strong setup at this moment for YTL for those that who are looking to enter. Okay, unless you're looking for long term, but even long term also, let's look into weekly chart. I can put two charts side by side here. Okay, I think even like if you look into weekly chart, they are actually the chart pattern is not that strong as well. Okay, I think they are dropping below the 20 and 40-day moving average already. Okay, now if you got any stock you want me to comments below in the chat. Okay, today looks like another boring day. Okay, nothing special here today. This morning only we props going up. I think some of the egg counters going up. Too bad actually yesterday I a bit takut also lah. I sell my LHI because still got profit my first sell it first. Now as this, to be frank, a bit worried. Okay, morning actually they come with a very strong candle. Okay, but towards the market closing, right? Okay, suddenly everything profit taking. Okay, I think the other day we do see AGX. Okay, this morning Mui property also kept up going up, but just now I saw become shooting star already. I'm not sure whether towards the end how is it. Okay, so if let's say stop holding back above support, I think is a good sign. Okay, unfortunately yesterday I saw everything already. Morning I saw partial profit. I take partial profit at 71. Okay, then later on towards the closing, market is a bit uh so-called bad lah, towards the end of the day yesterday. So I take everything off around 695. Okay, but today reverse. Okay, so yeah, sometimes markets like that is a bit tricky actually. Okay, but if you ask me on the chase or not right now, I'm not that keen. Okay, because market still not that super strong. Okay, like I say, nowadays we do see morning go up towards the market ends, right? They do profit takings. Okay, AGX the one example that I think from this week. All right, now let's take into Mui property. Okay, actually Mui prop, if let's say they retest back support, I'm interested one, but today gap up lah. But let's see how it goes lah. Maybe today still cannot break, then later retest somewhere around here. All right. Now the other one is Lei Hong this morning, still haven't really moved yet. Okay, even though Asia is moving already, they are still kind of like holding somewhere around here. Okay, actually I got enter a bit lah, tangan gatal sikit because I now look into Lei Hong. Hopefully they'll cross the 420 level. Okay, I'm aiming for quick profits like what I'm aiming for yesterday APB. Okay, APB also yesterday I already the exit it's not a very good profit. It's only like 3%, which is I think good enough for a day. Again, market is not that fantastic. Okay, so anything of profit right now, I just take it quickly first. Okay, now the other one, G-Tronic. Let's see what happened to G-Tronic today. Okay, yesterday also didn't make a good closing. Okay, but at least now it's still holding well. Okay, probably have to monitor for a few more days. Now the other one is a bit disappointing is MYEG and Top Glove. Okay, but MYEG I didn't enter. Okay, because like I say, I was waiting for a few days of retest, but they dropped below the gap area. Okay, this gap area over here. Price must hold above gap lah. That's why I look into gaps and do my judgment from there. Okay, for example, like IWC, all this. Okay, so let's say price trade below gaps normally are not that keen at this moment. Okay, but I think still worth to look into it. Okay, because sometimes gap area, right, they need to retest few times. Okay, before they can cross successfully. Okay, so this is one example, MYEG. Okay, now Top Glove, yes, disappointing yesterday. Actually, I'm queuing 106 queue for a few days, but it hits, but it goes down lower. Okay, but let's see how it goes. This gap over here is still remain open. They are still above 2040s. I believe they are doing another shakeout because the volume is not that high. Okay, let me just close this up. Okay, the volume actually is not that high. Okay, but just that, now stuck already. Okay, unless if you enter 106 now, it's around 1 ringgit. Losses not a big 5-6%. Okay, if you think that you want to exit first, I think it's okay. You can keep some cash, look for the others. But right now, I feel that maybe I have to hold for a few more days. Let's see whether they can try to go back or not into the support area again, right? Because volume is not that high lah, so I believe they are doing another round of shakeup because now since it's a slightly a bit weak markets, okay, at this moment here. Okay, any stock you want me to look into, you can comment below. Again, today macam all a bit boring already, yeah. Okay, because of the market or because you're all stuck in Bursa right now. Okay, I got stuck few lah. Top Glove is one of it lah. Top Glove right now stuck, but not too bad lah. Not too bad. Luckily, I parked my entry very close to support lah. So right now it's not a bad. Okay, let's say I go this few days. Okay, so again, make sure anything that you do right now, okay, you don't chase high. Okay, again, don't let me stop you. Okay, but this is something that I think what I'm doing right now. During bear markets or weak market, don't chase high. Sometimes market reverse from here to here. Okay, sometimes you chase here to here, also a big losses already. Okay, so yeah, very very important. Okay, always know where is your support level, so that your risk to reward is still there. Okay, this morning I don't have much of my pullback over here. Sorry, this is Rome. Okay, so okay, everything's still okay, but there's a big shooting star. Again, weak market right now. Probably we look into it later on. Green YB not so active. Only Mui Prop it's quite active this morning, but so fast turned to shooting star already. Okay, so maybe later on. Tech Hill, what counter is this? Okay, nowadays some counter changed name also, I did not aware. Okay, Solar West have been got some movement already for a few days. Okay, actually yesterday also got triggered our pullback alerts. Okay, so here looks like there's some change of trend. Potentially, okay, some change of trend probably is coming for Solar West, but just that the volume is not that active yet. Okay, it's not that high yet. So probably have to see how you're going to retest the 2040 later on. Okay, CCK. Okay, CCK holding on around the 40 MA. Ibraco. Nothing much actually today. Okay, any counters you want me to look into? If not, we just go on the end house sections. Okay, nothing much this morning. Like I said, just want to do a quick updates for the overall markets. Calcia indices, let's see the FBM CalCI. Okay, still trying to cross around 160 area, okay, which is the current resistance. Oh, mostly is red lah. Okay, mostly is in red lah. Only healthcare is in green only. Okay, but it's a small green lah. Okay, nothing to be exciting about lah. So the rest is red. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me. Okay, if you got any others questions that you wish to ask later on, probably you can join on Telegram so that we have more so-called Q&A and discussions. If not, join me tomorrow again. Hopefully tomorrow market will be slightly more exciting than today. All right, so with this, thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.